Hello and a very warm welcome. Thanks for tuning into News9 Live. I'm Kabir Naqvi. Joining me here in the studio is my colleague and news editor Varghese P. Abraham, and that's what we're awaiting right now. Rahul Gandhi's defamation case, the verdict by the Gujarat High Court is expected today. Welcome to our live coverage, ladies and gentlemen. We're awaiting a crucial verdict in the defamation case involving Rahul Gandhi. Today, the Gujarat High Court is set to announce its decision on Rahul Gandhi's plea for a stay on his conviction. Now, this verdict holds immense significance as it could determine whether Rahul Gandhi will make a comeback in the parliament or not. The Gujarat High Court has dismissed, ladies and gentlemen, Rahul Gandhi's review plea to suspend conviction in the defamation case. So after the Surat court had dismissed the plea earlier, now Gujarat High Court has dismissed Rahul Gandhi's review plea to suspend conviction in the defamation case. Court refuses to stay conviction, which essentially means, Varghese, that it's a no-go for his comeback to the parliament.
Well, basically, he will have to forego his monsoon session right now if he's not going to go ahead with the Supreme Court. Now, the option left is to go to the Supreme Court and probably see as to what how that will pan out. But right now, of course, going by the verdict coming in from the Gujarat High Court, it looks like Rahul Gandhi will not be there for the monsoon session. That is if he doesn't challenge it again in the Supreme Court.
Well, certainly. Purnesh Modi, the Surat West MLA, was the person who filed this criminal defamation case against Rahul Gandhi over his "How come all thieves have Modi as the common surname?" a remark he made during an election rally at Kolar in Karnataka on the 13th of April in 2019 ahead of the General Assembly polls. Now, the Gujarat High Court has rejected the plea for Rahul Gandhi's stay on conviction. He was convicted 2 years of imprisonment in this particular criminal defamation case. On the 23rd of March is when the verdict was put out, the conviction was out, and 24th of March is when he stopped existing as a member of parliament in the Lok Sabha. He had to vacate his house, he had to vacate his seat, stop existing as an MP. Even as Congress leaders have reached the courtroom, the Gujarat High Court has rejected plea for stay on conviction. Rahul Gandhi is not certainly coming back to the parliament in the near future. More than 2 months after the Gujarat High Court heard the case, the Gujarat High Court was supposed to deliver its verdict today, and it has given a major setback to Rahul Gandhi in this particular defamation case. It's a no-go for Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi is going to be out of the parliament. Many people were expecting and speculating whether, if at all, this particular review plea on the conviction where Rahul Gandhi is trying to seek a stay on the conviction would end up putting Rahul Gandhi back inside the parliament. Many of Rahul Gandhi's supporters were quite hopeful of the same. But now it seems like it's a no-go for Rahul Gandhi. The Gujarat High Court has rejected the plea for the stay on conviction. This after 2 months after it heard the case. And earlier before this, Rahul Gandhi's plea, a similar sort of a plea, was rejected by a sessions court earlier on as well. He'd made that Modi surname remark back in 2019 on the 13th of April in Kolar in Karnataka, where he said, how come all thieves have the common Modi surname? That's something that Purnesh Modi, who's the Surat West MLA, did not take much liking to. He then put out this case. He said, you can't go out and defame all people who have the Modi surname. And it's not just the Modi surname. You try to hit out at the other backward castes as well, the backward castes. So it became an entire furor in the political realm, in the legal realm. People were saying, never has this happened before. Debates about the draconian era law of criminal defamation, citing how various modern nations outside have a civil suit for defamation, not a criminal proceeding anymore. Those kind of debates had begun cropping up, and people from the legal fraternity said that they were completely divided. They said that this is very unprecedented, this shouldn't have happened. Many on the other side are saying that it was in fact necessary to put Rahul Gandhi in his right place. But right now the Gujarat High Court has rejected the plea, the stay on conviction. What does this mean for the national, looking at the national politics under a macro lens? What does this mean? And what next for Rahul Gandhi's own political future? Those are two prominent questions now in front of us, Varghese.
Well, one is, of course, he might in fact go ahead and approach the Supreme Court on the matter. That is, of course, the option that is there with them. Now, on the issue of this, well, the issue was also raised during the April 29th hearing, where Rahul Gandhi's lawyer had in fact argued that the maximum punishment of 2 years for a bailable non-cognizable offence meant that his client would lose his Lok Sabha seat permanently and irreversibly, which is kind of a very serious condition that they may be looking at. And he also went on to say that very serious additional irreversible consequences to the person and the constituency he represents. Rahul Gandhi's constituency is, or rather, he is was representing Wayanad, and just immediately after that disqualification, that was announced, we did have Rahul Gandhi visiting Wayanad, and there was a huge rally that was conducted in Wayanad constituency. Now, the immediate after effect of this is that probably the monsoon session, you will not see Rahul Gandhi attending it.